How to fix your laptop cursor not working in Windows 11. So if your mouse cursor is not moving or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and open up the start menu on your computer. Now, if your mouse isn't working, you can either plug in an external mouse or you can just use the shortcut keys on your keyboard in order to follow these steps. You can then search for settings and go and press enter. Now, from the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and devices. If your mouse isn't working, you can also use the keyboard by pressing the tab key to move across the different options. Once you have Bluetooth and devices selected, you can press enter to go and open this window. Now, you'll need to scroll down the page and click on touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is turned on and enabled like this, and then go and click on the drop-down arrow. Make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is turned on, and if it's still not working, scroll down the page and click on more touchpad settings. Now click on pointers and then go and select use default. Now click on pointer options, try unchecking the option next to enhance pointer precision, and then go and press apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, open up your start menu once again, search for device manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to human interface devices. You should be able to see your touchpad from the list of devices. Simply go in, right click on this and press update driver. You can then press browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from a list of available drivers and go and select the HID compliant touchpad. Now click on next and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, there's one final solution. So on your laptop there will typically be a key combination that you can press in order to enable and disable the mouse. So on my keyboard, it's the FN key and also the F6 key at the same time, but this really comes down to your model of computer. So what I'd recommend doing is holding down the FN key, and you can try all the different F keys at the top of your keyboard. So it could be F1, F2, etc, etc. Just keep going through this entire list. You may also be able to see a trackpad icon on one of these F keys, and that can help you indicate which actually key you need to go and press. Now once you've done this, you should be able to enable and disable your mouse. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.